service. This is Samantha Pernias. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I would like to order some snacks that includes tea, please.
May I know your name and room number, ma'am?
It's Rosemary Puebla from room number 507.
Rosemary Puebla from room 507. What do you like for snacks, ma'am? We have options, which is afternoon tea, full afternoon tea, and high tea.
May I know what the afternoon tea consists of?
Sure, ma'am. An afternoon tea consists of tea accompanied by sandwiches, chocolate cake, and pastries, such as macarons, pies, tarts, and donuts.
How about your full afternoon tea? May I know?
Full afternoon tea, ma'am, serving is much heavier than the afternoon tea. Typically has tea, various and steel cakes and pastries. We also have savories such as crabs and corn soup, potato soup, and pumpkin soup.
How about the high tea?
The high tea, which is a hearty meal, ma'am, consists of baked goods such as shortbread and sausage rolls. We also have vegetable salads and pickled salmon, ma'am.
I'll take the afternoon tea, please. A pretzel, 1 cracker, and 1 donut.
A pretzel, one cracker, and 1 donut. Okay, ma'am. For your donut, ma'am, is it chocolate or strawberry?
I prefer strawberry donut, please.
Strawberry. Alright, ma'am. This is noted. May I know your tea reference, ma'am?
Lipton tea would do, please.
Lipton tea. Okay, ma'am. Would you like to add something, ma'am?
No, thanks. That's all.
Okay, ma'am. This is all noted. May I repeat to you your order, ma'am? Your order afternoon tea consists of pretzel and 1 cracker and 1 strawberry donut. And your tea reference is Lipton tea. Is it correct, ma'am?
Yes, thank you.
By the way, ma'am, may I know how would you like your payment? Is it cash, credit card, or charged to your room, ma'am?
Just charge it to my room, please.
Alright, ma'am. Let me inform you first that your total bill is 500 pesos.
Okay, thank you.
What time would you like your order to be served?
Around 3 p.m., please.
Okay, ma'am. Puebla of room 507. Your order will be served at exactly 3 p.m. Good day again, ma'am, and thank you for calling room service. Room service. Good day again, ma'am. This is order for Rosemary Puebla. May I come in?
Okay, come in, please.
Where would you like me to put your order, ma'am?
Just set it in the table, please.
Okay, ma'am. Is there anything I can help you with?
None, thank you.
Here's your bill, ma'am. It is total of 500 pesos and it's already charged into your room, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
No problem, ma'am. When will you want me to come back here to clean your service dishes?
After an hour, please.
Okay, ma'am. As for today's time, it's already 3 p.m. So I will be coming back at exactly 4 p.m. Thank you for calling room service and enjoy your snacks.
Thank you.
Room service. Good day, ma'am. I'm here to clean up your stall dishes. May I come in?
Yes, please.
How would you like your afternoon tea, ma'am?
It looks great, especially the tea. It relaxes my stresses back.
I'm glad to hear that, ma'am. You enjoy our afternoon tea. May I now remove your stall dishes?
Yes. Excuse me for a bit.
It's all done, ma'am. Thank you for ordering room service. Have a good day.
Thank you.